When him say, Anka, we president, any kwase we adwuma. Yes, of course. It is very sad that even the president himself, omukra sadia no, they don't know. Yes. Anka we president anka ni kwase we adwuma bia ka de obeya na say bia what office ana wo cabinet meetings. Yes, of course. We president, we vice president eni kwase ka we adwuma bia. Yes. Anka wo dia na say cabinet meetings. Now, Kwafre, Minister of Finance, Minister of Lands and Resources, Minister of Education, bring your report. Let me see how far, what is going on. And Kawodi and Kawajuma Abaya, no. Receiving reports, questioning people, questioning ministers, Omojuma Omoye, at the saying. Now, a whole president, a whole vice president, Obuhena Ejuma Oyeno, or ye Ejuma at the say assemblyman. Yes, of course.
President and the vice president. What do you so many adwuma biaye? Say you to Obama president. Na onya the vice president you are. Mafia. Esesenka won no wotena se. Wonko cabinet meeting na wa be man briefing. Na wetumi direct we munkoye ni say. No wakọ home. Africa pe and the president ye adwuma assemblyman here. You see, and majority of the time, this canker is so evident, it's so pervasive. Say, what's national share? A Juma say assemblyman, unit committee member, even a Juma say Busia Penny Yono, near the Akoja president.
A whole president, a whole vice president, na Ejuma asenka assemblyman no na ono oye. Yes, of course. A whole president na all commission toilet. A whole president na 6 class unit block ono na all commission. Awrehosem. Yes. Enimguasisem. Say Ejuma anka assemblyman enanka ejuma anka ebia DC for nanka esenka ejuma anka ebia community no chief bi enanka no eno ena ministers eno ena even president and vice president omo agisa ejuma no ama omo ho a chese asem no akwakoye awrehosem. Yes, of course. Na Captain Smart edit to just say Senka ono weye president we minister na uko commission 6 class unit blogger ono anko be yiwadi. Yes, of course. Or see a whole minister na toilet to cry wakwedina no say u commission na ono Captain Smart senka weye president weye sa na obe yiwadi if you say enim gwasisem adai ena ejuma senka assemblyman for ena ejuma anka even abusia panyini ena eno ena ministers eno ena even president and vice presidents we nya NDC nwan we previous government no ejuma bia anka senka assemblyman for na no wo hwa Ghana ha chese ekame akoyese wo hu a whole president na Bebia inukwase okoho na onam ho. Captain Smart say eya awrehosem munyai assemblyman fo no na omonso omu enji omu samba kakra. Yes. Nanka toilet bia na say bia boho bi de nanka assemblyman bi onso akwagina no na commission. Yes. Na ejuma kiti a chese bro minister so ejuma kiti a bro vice president ana president so no obohena oma akwaji sai ejuma no ye o si we nyina no emwa. Yes, they should delegate powers. Ejuma bu ha utimu se eye abusia panyin adwuma. Ejuma bu ha utimu se eye oman hen adwuma. Ejuma bu ha DC adwuma. Assemblyman adwuma munyama omo na mo munye die hia. Yes, of course. GHV TV. It is a unsubscribe yana watcha ato samame. Makramo.